In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Terraria with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a Terraria world with your friends, and keep in mind that I'm gonna be teaching you how to do this through Steam. I'm going to comment on how you can do it outside of Steam, but it is going to be a more complicated process. Steam makes this extremely convenient, so all that you have to do is everyone who is going to be playing has to go over to multiplayer. One of you will have to host a server and everyone else is going to join. The server is essentially the world where you will be playing together. So you have three options. The two relevant options if you are playing through Steam are going to be join via Steam and then host and play. So whoever is going to be hosting the world is going to go over to this option, host and play. It's recommended that whoever hosts the world has the best connection and computer possible, but of course this isn't a strict requirement. Keep in mind that the host has to be online running the world, so make sure that you get the person who has the highest availability. Now, when you go over here, you just have to create a new character or choose a pre-existing one to play on this world. Now, you will see a list of all the worlds that you have created. Choose the one that you want to host on multiplayer. If you want to create a new world, you will be able to do so just go over to new, set up the name, set up the seed, the world size, the difficulty, and then corruption or crimson. To my knowledge, you won't be able to change this later, so keep that in mind. Once you create the world, it is going to go through this whole process of generating it, and once you get inside, your friends are already ready to join. You can either pause the game and choose the option to invite friends, which I'm going to show you on screen once I load in, or alternatively, they will be able to open up the Steam overlay, and if you are online, they will be able to right-click on you and then join via Steam. As long as the lobby is set to public, they will be able to connect immediately upon you joining the world. Once all of you log off and the host leaves the world, you will be able to go over here again, host and play, and choose the pre-existing world. So make sure that Steam multiplayer is enabled. Set it to friends, click start, choose an optional password, and then create a server. Once you load in, like I said, at this point, they will be able to right-click on you and choose the option to join. So once you are hosting the world, you can pause at any time, go over to the settings, and choose the invite friends option. This is going to open up the Steam overlay where you can see your Steam friends list and invite them from here. Now, once all of you are connected, you are basically ready to start playing multiplayer together in Terraria through Steam. If you want to do this outside of Steam, you will have to host a server elsewhere and share your IP address with your friends. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Terraria with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.